In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom avatars. By the end, you'll know exactly how to replace your live video with a fun, expressive avatar, perfect for casual meetings or days when you don't want to be on camera. Zoom's avatars mirror your facial movements and gestures using your camera, so your presence still feels natural and engaging. First, open Zoom and head to the Home tab. From there, click the large orange New Meeting button. You'll recognize it by the video camera icon. A new window will open to get your meeting started. If you see a prompt to begin, click Start, and you'll be taken straight into your meeting window. Now look toward the bottom left corner of the meeting window. You'll see the Stop Video button. Right next to it is a small upward pointing arrow. Click that little arrow to open a menu. This menu gives you quick access to your video options. In the list, find and click Choose Avatar. This takes you into the Avatar Settings panel. Inside the Avatar Settings, you'll see a selection of available avatars. Take a moment to browse the options. When you find one you like, simply click it. As soon as you do, the avatar instantly replaces your video feed in the meeting. Everyone in the session will now see your avatar instead of your camera feed, and your avatar will respond to your voice and expressions. Because avatars use your camera to animate, good lighting and a clear view of your face can help the movements look more accurate. Once you're happy with your choice, close the settings window by clicking the X at the top right corner of that window. Don't worry, closing this panel won't end your meeting. Your selected avatar stays active and you're right back in the meeting view. If you want to try a different avatar later, just open the same little arrow menu next to Stop Video and return to the avatar selection to switch. It's quick and your participants will see the change immediately. That's the entire process. Start a meeting from the Home tab, use the small arrow next to Stop Video, choose your avatar, and close the settings panel. It's a simple way to add personality to your calls while keeping things professional and distraction free. Give it a try in your next meeting and see how it changes the tone and comfort level for you and your team. Thanks for watching and have fun with your new Zoom avatar.